Of the day, I'm doing bearings, changing all the running gear, all the rockers and shackle links on this blue landscape trailer. Slowly getting it up with a shackle link and some bolts. Now we're just going to change everything out. Tires are coming off. Alright, passenger side's off. I need to change all these equalizers and shackle links and bolts. But I got these pushed on, windows are clean, hubs are packed on the passenger, or hubs are put on the passenger side. Time to pack them. And turn. Rear. Pack through and do the front, and ran out of grease, and grease is through on the front. Wipe off excess, pound some dust caps, and dust caps are on for passenger side. Let's move to the driver's side. Driver's side hubs have bearings in them, cotter keys on both sides. I'm gonna pack the bearings. Front is packed, dust cap going on, dust cap is on. Let's do the rear. Rear packed, dust cap going on, dust cap is on. Excess cleaned, let's do running gear. Let's tear apart running gear. 7/8 for the nut, 13/16 for the bolt. Pressure is released. Rockers out. Bushings are good. Do not need to change bushings out. We're gonna have to drop the other side to get this done. And passenger side coming off. Bolt is out, nut is off. All these running gears are gonna fall down. Keep my hands away from everything. And front axle's gonna drop. There we go. Rear axle's gonna drop. All parts out. And new rockers, shackle length, and a little too loose. Tighten it down a little bit more. There we go. All tight. And passenger side done. Come on, get out. Let's get these tires and wheels on. All tires and wheels are back on. Driver side, passenger side. Just checking lights. Marker light is good. This marker light is not. That one is not. This side is good. Good. Let's just be a wire on that side. And the front is good. Let's do right turn. Right turn is on and working, left turn is on and working. Must just be the marker. Okay, we just need to clean up this wiring. I found where it was broken, so I just need to shrink wrap all these butt connectors, but the lights work now, up and bottom. Left turn works, right turn works. Perfect. Butt connectors are heat shrunk. I'm gonna zip tie it up so it doesn't go onto the ground and scrape again. This side broke, so I need to weld a piece of plate and this nut on the plate to match this side. That's what I'm working on right now. I found the fastener that needs to go on there though. Fastener welded on. It is now working. Just need to slowly turn it out. Come on, motherfucker. Thank you. Let's paint it black. And paint it black. Let that dry off. Put all my tools away. Back piece is done. Still waiting for it to dry, but I'm gonna torque lug nuts. Passenger side rear is the first to go. Rear is done. Front is done. Driver side rear. Driver side rear done. Driver side front, done. Rear is on and tight. Take out my don't die. I'll do the rundown on this. New bearings, new seals, new grease on all 4 spindles. New running gear, equalizers, shackle links, shackle bolts. Checked all his lights worked. It was broken on the rear, so I put it back together, zip tied it up so it doesn't happen again. Redid the latch system on the back. He was missing the flat strap and the nut that goes on top of that, so I fixed it. This side's good, same on this. All lug nuts are torqued, all lights work. This job's done, I'm on to the next.